Welcome once. So this one's probably the most kind of erotic photo out of the whole shoot. Just kind of laying there in a serene moment that kind of communicates romantic, open expression of hope and desire for your loved one. So she's just, floating, and her hair is just floating underwater, and the strawberries are trying to get away from the photo shoot. I definitely like the cream color of her skin. I don't know what the red is around her collar. I don't know where that's coming from. It might be a reflection from the camera girl or something. But yeah, I like the shirts floating. Like the shadows at the top, the gray.